Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Birdman, and today we're going to see not only your ID ability with my terrible camera handling skill, but also your general knowledge about each bird. So without further ado, let's get right to this little quiz. Alright, here we have our first bird, which I'm sure many people immediately recognize. If you need to, now's the time to pause the video. You ready? As you probably guessed, this is in fact a Canada goose. Now let's move on to our next species. Let's start the timer now. Did you guess eastern kingbird? If yes, you are correct. But only guessing the bird would be too easy, so please answer which of the following is true about the eastern kingbird. C is the correct answer. For this question, please answer which bird is making this call. If you selected D, you would be correct, as this is indeed a brown-headed cowbird. Back to the waterfowl, we're going to see if you can identify this bird. If you just said common loon, you would in fact be incorrect, as this is actually a red-necked grebe. Now, which of the following is false about the red-necked grebe? The correct option is B. Sticking by the water's edge, please identify the two ducks swimming at the bottom of your screen. The bird displayed was in fact a gadwall. Please identify our second to last bird. For this bird, if you guessed yellow warbler, you would in fact be correct. And before we continue, please answer the following question. If you answered A, you would be correct. And now we have our final bird. And if you answered chipping sparrow, you would in fact be correct. Now moving on, we have the final question to wrap up this video. And if you guessed A, you are correct, and you should go hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss an upload of mine. See you later on Hank the Birdman.